Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use import feed formula in Google Sheets. So import feed formula or function is usually used when you want to import feeds from a website. So in this case, I'm going to import feeds from Google News in here. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can just use this formula. You can use import feed and then double quotation and insert this formula right here. Okay, so import feed, parenthesis, double quotation, and then URL. I'm going to copy or put this URL in the descriptions, and you can just use that. And after that, just click comma and then choose or click on items, and then one and letter the number of the articles or feeds that you want to import. For example, in this case, I'm going to just show fan feeds and then click on enter. Okay, loading. Oops. Okay, I think that's been a mistake. Okay, I'm going to check the URL. Okay, so there's some typo in here, and I click on enter. Okay, so you can see this is the feeds from Google News. There is title, author, URL, and summary of each of the feeds, and it shows 10 of them. Okay guys, so I think that's all. That is how you can use import feed. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys.